morning, my students. So welcome to this particular lecture. Okay, we are learning chapter number 5, that is expansion formula. Okay, in the previous lecture we have seen the expansion of a plus b bracket raised to cube. Now in this particular lecture we are going to see the expansion of the form a minus b bracket raised to cube. The only difference is the sign or the operator which is used in between the terms. Okay, in the previous expansion type we have seen plus sign, but in this type we are going to see the negative sign in between the terms. Okay, so let us find the expansion of this term. So a minus b bracket raised to 3 equals to, I can write this as a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. As the power is 3, I am going to take down the number 3 times and multiplication sign between the numbers. Okay, I will keep the first term as it is, a minus b. Now into a minus b into a minus b is nothing but a minus b raised to square. Okay, now we know the expansion of this. So a minus b as it is into, what is the expansion of a minus b bracket raised to square? Okay, we have seen in our previous lectures. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now I will multiply the first term, that is a, to the whole bracket, to the whole second bracket, then minus b to the whole second bracket. So a into a square minus 2ab plus b square, then minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a into a square is nothing but a cube, then minus sign, plus into minus becomes minus. A into 2ab is nothing but 2a square b. Okay, then plus into plus becomes plus. A into b square is ab square, then minus into plus becomes minus, and b into a square becomes a square b. Okay, then minus into minus becomes plus, and b into 2ab is 2ab square, minus into plus becomes minus, and b into b square is nothing but b cube. Okay, let us simplify this. So a cube as it is, minus 2a square b minus a square b. So sign is minus, minus becomes plus. Okay, so 2a square b plus a square b is nothing but 3a square b. But we use the sign of bigger number. The sign of the bigger number is minus sign. So minus 3a square b. Okay, then ab square plus 2ab square is nothing but 3ab square. Okay, and minus b cube as it is. So here we got the expansion of a minus b bracket raised to cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is the required expansion of a minus b bracket raised to 3. Okay. Now by using this particular expansion formula, we are going to solve certain questions of practice set 5.3. We are going to start with the sub question 3 of practice set 5.3. So we have to expand 7x minus 9y raised to 3. Okay, so the basic logic that we are going to use is very simple. Okay, let us write down the formula first. So a minus b bracket raised to 3 is nothing but a raised to 3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, this is the formula. What is the basic logic for solving any expansion of such type? We are going to identify our a and b. Okay, and simply we have to replace the place of a and b with our terms. Okay, So if I am taking 7x as my a, okay, 7x is going to be my a and 9y is going to be my b. So what I will do, I will just put down these values in the given formula. Okay, so let us start then. So I can write 7x minus 9y raised to 3 equal to, what is a? 7x. So 7x raised to 3 minus 3 into, what is a again? 7x. So 7x square into b is my 9y, okay, plus 3a, so 3 into 7x into b is my 9y, so 9y square minus, what is b? 9y, so 9y cube, okay. Then we will simplify it. What is the cube of 7? It is 343, okay, into x cube minus 3 into 7x raised to 2, that is nothing but 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7, 21, so 21x into, what is the square of 9? It is 81, so 81y square, okay, minus, what is 9 cube? It is 729, so 729 y cube, okay. Now 343x cube as it is. Now what we have? 3 into 49 into 9, okay, minus 3 into 49 into 9. 3 9s are 27. So 49 into 27, 9 7s are 63, 3 6 carry upside, 7 for the 28, 28 plus 6 is nothing but 34, 343. Then 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carry upside, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Then 3, 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 carry upside, 4 plus 9 is 13. So 1 3 2 3. So we got 1 3 2 3 x square y. Okay, plus now we have to multiply 21 into 81. So 21 into 81, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, that is 7 and 1701. So we get 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. So the expansion of 7x minus 9y bracket is to 3 is equal to 343x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Okay, so this is the expansion. Let us see another question then. Now we will find the cube of 58. Now by using the calculator we can easily find out the cube of 58, but we have to find this particular cube by applying the given expansion formula. Okay, while writing in an exam also you have to use this particular formula to find the cube. You cannot simply multiply 58 into 58 and 58 and write down the answer if the question is expand 58 raised to 3. Okay, so we are going to expand this. Now I can write 58 raised to 3 equal to 60 minus 2 raised to 3. 58 is nothing but 60 minus 2. Okay, so here 60 is going to be my A and 2 will be my B. Okay, so A is my 60 and B is my 2. So A cube is nothing but 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Okay, so what is 60 cube? It is 2,16,000 minus, what is 60 square? It is 3,600. So 3,600 into 2 into 3. So let us do this. 3 to the 6 into 3,600. Okay, plus 3 6 are 18. So 180 into 2 square 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Okay, so we can write 2,16,000 minus 6 into 36. What is 6 into 36? It is 216 and 2 zeros. So 21600 plus 180 into 4 is nothing but 720. Okay, minus 8. Okay, so 216,000 minus 21600 plus 720 minus 8. So we will be doing this 216,000 minus 21600. So we get 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. 10 minus 2, 8, and 184400. So we get 1,84,400. Okay, plus 720 minus 8 is nothing but 712. Okay, so 712. 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry upside 5 8 1. So we have got 185,112. 185,112. So the cube of 58 is nothing but 1,85,112. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay, we have expanded the given term and we have found the correct answer. Okay, this is the expansion of 58 raised to 3. Now, sub question number 6. So what is the term? 2p minus 1 upon 2p raised to 3. Okay, so we have to expand this particular binomial. Again, I am going to take 2p as my a and 1 upon 2p as my b. So in that case, I can write 2p minus 1 upon 2p raised to 3 equal to a क्यूब की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? 2p का क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू ए स्क्वायर की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? 2p का स्क्वायर इंटू b के जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1 अपॉन 2p. ओके, प्लस 3 इंटू ए की जगह पे 2p और b के जगह पे 1 अपॉन 2p स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन 2p क्यूब. ओके, सो 2 का क्यूब क्या है? 8 है. सो 8p क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू 2p का स्क्वायर मतलब क्या? 2 का स्क्वायर 4 और p स्क्वायर इंटू 1 अपॉन 2p प्लस 3 2 जा 8. सो 8p इंटू 1 अपॉन 2p स्क्वायर मतलब क्या? 1 अपॉन 4p स्क्वायर. ओके, माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 का क्यूब क्या है? 8. तो 8p क्यूब. ओके, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, p 1 जा p और p 1 जा p. यहाँ पे एक p बच गया से, यहाँ पर 4 1 जा 4 और 4 2 जा 8 हो गया. ओके, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 6p आएगा. 3 2 जा 6 होता है ना. तो 3 2 जा 6, 6p इंटू 1 अपॉन 4p स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे क्या हम लिख सकते हैं? 2 2 जा 4 and 2 3 जा 6. p cancel and here 1p cancelled. Okay, so we got 8p cube minus, okay, 3 2 जा 6, 1p is there. So 6p, 8p cube minus 6p plus again 3 into 1 3 upon 2 into p 2p okay, minus 1 upon 8p cube. So the expansion of 2p minus 1 upon 2p raised to 3 is equal to 8p raised to 3 minus 6p plus 3p 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Okay, so in all this expansion, what we have seen that the only thing that we have to do is we have to find out a and b from the given term. Okay, we have to decide what is a, what is b. After deciding that, we have to replace the value of a and b in the given general formula, and rest all is simple mathematics. Okay, so this was the sub question number 6. Now the remaining sub questions of this particular practice set 5.3 is going to be your homework. Okay, you have to solve the solved examples as well as the homework questions. Okay, in the next lecture we will see the expansion of the form of a plus b plus c bracket raised to square. Okay, until then, goodbye.